The Tivoli Gardens FC will breathe a sigh of relief after finding gear for at least one of their youth teams. This as the under-13 team was presented with 2 sets of uniforms by the Jamaican-born Florida former footballer Michael Barnes as his organization, the Jamaica Diaspora Football Association.
Professional makes you feel like a professional and you play like a professional. So what I did, I went out and I got them 2 sets of uniform. The black and orange kit for the home and the white and green for away. So I made sure I brought them 2 kits for them to feel and look professional, because we have 1 or 2 kids that is exceptional that I came here and saw, and I would like them to move forward into the big world.
Javan Codlin, the youth team coordinator at Tivoli Gardens Football Club, says the venture is a good one as they get ready for the KSAFA under-13 league.
For us at this stage, it's about exposure, it's about playing, it's about being competitive, it's about enjoying the game for sure, it's about having fun and not put too much pressure on the young boys. Let them play and have fun and enjoy the game.
And the players were grateful for the outfits.
I'm feeling good. I know say can boost your confidence, because see all of them, no, know say them feel nice in themselves now, say, hey, me play for this.